You ever notice how no matter how hard you work, your bank account still ends up empty at the end of every month? You do everything right. Wake up early, grind through the week, pay your bills, and somehow, it's never enough. Feels like running a marathon that never ends. Right? They told us the formula was simple. Work hard, get a job, and you'll be successful. But here's the truth. Most people who work the hardest often have the least freedom. We were trained to be workers, not wealth builders. You feel like you're doing everything right, but your savings vanish before your next paycheck even hits. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes. You start wondering, maybe real wealth is only for the lucky ones. If nothing changes, you'll wake up 20 years from now wondering where your time and energy went. The system won't save you. It was never designed to. So here's the question. What's the one habit that separates broke people from the wealthy? Hey guys, I'm John, and welcome to Cash Plan with John, your guide to mastering money without losing your mind. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our tribe. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only. No financial advice, just real talk. Stick around till the end. I'll share practical steps to start using this wealth habit today. Let's dive in. Here's the real secret to building wealth. You gotta pay yourself first. Most guys wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left, but the truth is, wealth starts when you flip that script and save before you spend. Think about it. If you save first, you're treating your future like it matters. It's not about leftovers. It's about priorities. The money you save today becomes the freedom you feel tomorrow. Let's break it down. If you make $5,000 a month and automatically save 10%, that's $500 every month. That's $6,000 a year and $60,000 in a decade, all without stressing or even noticing. Now imagine this. You wake up and your money's already working while you're still sleeping. That's not just being rich. That's real peace of mind. Remember, most people save when they can. Wealthy people save because they must. Getting rich isn't about hitting a jackpot. It's about small wins that stack up every day. The wealthy don't rush. They build momentum, like a snowball rolling downhill. Over time, those small moves turn into unstoppable progress. Here's the crazy part. Just $10 a day, invested wisely, can grow into over $75,000 in 20 years. That's literally the price of 2 coffees, turning into freedom if you stay consistent. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit. When you save and invest consistently, you're not missing out. You're buying your future freedom. Every dollar you save is like a little worker that never sleeps, earning money for you day and night. That's how you build real wealth. Most people chase quick money. The wealthy chase your money. The slow road feels boring at first, but it's the one that actually gets you there. Remember what Einstein said, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Most people don't even realize they're trapped in the consumer cycle, buying things that lose value the second they swipe their card. But here's the truth. Real wealth starts when you stop being just a buyer and start thinking like an investor. That shift changes everything. Think about it. The average person spends around $100 a month on subscriptions they barely use. Netflix, Spotify, random apps, it all adds up. But if you invested that same money, you'd have nearly $50,000 in 20 years before growth. Imagine this. Instead of your money disappearing every month, it starts working for you. You're not chasing every new trend or gadget. Your money is out there growing, compounding, and building your future freedom. Most people buy liabilities, stuff that looks cool but drains their bank account. The wealthy, they buy assets. They invest in things that grow, that pay them back. Like Benjamin Franklin said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Real wealth doesn't come from willpower. It comes from building systems that work even when you're tired or busy. The rich don't make money decisions every day. They make one system and let it run. Imagine your finances working automatically while you focus on living. Automate 15% of your income to 10% for savings, 5% for investing. That's $750 a month if you make $5. Zero. Once you set it, you'll never have to think about it again. It just happens. Picture this. You wake up, and your money's already been moved where it needs to go. no guilt, no stress, no missed opportunities. Your future is growing quietly in the background while you live your life. Motivation fades, systems don't. If you rely on motivation, you'll fail. If you rely on automation, you'll win. Like Sam Levinson said, don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going. You know that feeling when your paycheck goes up and suddenly your spending does too. Yeah, that's lifestyle creep. It's sneaky because it feels like a reward for your hard work. But in reality, it quietly eats away your future wealth. Here's the trap. When your income doubles, but your expenses double too, you've made zero progress. You're running faster, but staying in the same place. That's how most people lose the wealth game without even realizing it. Real wealth isn't about flexing. It's about freedom. The people who stay rich don't chase every new thing. They keep their lifestyle simple and let their money grow quietly in the background. That's the power move no one sees. Wealthy people buy time, not toys. Don't fall for the trap of impressing others. Live below your means and invest in your future freedom. Like Will Rogers said, too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want to impress people they don't like. The truth is, building wealth isn't about numbers. It's about emotions. Most people don't go broke because they can't add. They go broke because they can't control their impulses. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much discipline you keep. Here's proof. 70% of lottery winners lose everything within 5 years. Why? Because money can't fix poor habits. It only amplifies them. If you can't manage $100, you won't magically manage $1 million. Here's proof. 70% of lottery winners lose everything within 5 years. Why? Because money can't fix poor habits. It only amplifies them. If you can't manage $100, you won't magically manage $1 million. Wealth isn't just about money. It's emotional maturity in action. Like Charlie Munger said, the first rule of compounding: never interrupt it unnecessarily. Stay calm, stay patient, and let time do its magic. That's the real power move. You know what's funny? Most people think wealth means driving Ferraris and wearing designer watches. But real wealth isn't about luxury. It's about freedom. It's about having the power to say no to things that don't serve you. Imagine this: $500,000 invested, earning you $25,000 a year without lifting a finger. That's your money working while you live. That's freedom, not just income, but time bought back. Freedom means you can take a month off and just live, travel, create, breathe, without checking your bank balance every day. You're not chasing the next paycheck. Your money's chasing opportunities for you. So don't chase status, chase freedom, because at the end of the day, the goal isn't just more money. The real goal is living life on your terms. The one habit that builds real wealth: paying yourself first, consistently, automatically, and with discipline. Real wealth isn't built in a day. It's built by showing up every day for your future self. If this video hit home, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Drop your thoughts below. What's the one habit you're going to start this week? Thanks for watching Cash Plan with John. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts here. Until next time, keep growing, keep grinding, and keep planning your cash.